This is the elevator at B cluster in Nassau Community College. This one was probably exactly the same as C before it got renovated. And that resulted in that one being modernized. This one was modernized at a different point. Don't know who did the mod, but unlike C cluster, Jesus Lord. Yeah, unlike oh, looks like we're going up.
First floor. Second floor. Third floor.
Oh, I made it all the way. Down?
Yeah, thanks, man.
Where are you going?
Basement, all the way down. Thank you.
And then he did Thanksgiving.
I'm off the week between Thanksgiving. I think, so I'm off
Jeez.
the week of Thanksgiving. I'm off the week between Christmas and New Year's.
I don't know, one after.
I
Second
still have to
floor.
burn 15 days in an extra 4 weeks. So, like,
First
it's
floor.
not the fifth Friday.
Yeah, I was like, I gotta burn some time.
Basement floor.
Yeah, let you guys go down first. Yeah, there you go.
Making sure it goes where you asked.
You guys have a good one. Cavie while we go up. Surprised we made it all the way. Yeah, this has a different mod.
First floor.
That floor pass is incredibly annoying. Oh, there you go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. There goes, and that's it.